Hello students, myself Swarnalata Patra, lecturer in IT of UN College, Adespur, Cuttack. Today I am going to teach about electronic commerce, e-commerce. Okay. Let us start learning objectives of e-commerce. Okay. First, definition of e-commerce, then history of e-commerce, then advantages of e-commerce, then types of e-commerce, then e-commerce examples and some of e-commerce websites. Okay. Then let us start. What is e-commerce? E-commerce means electronic commerce, buying and selling of products or services by using internet. Okay. E-commerce consists of buying and selling of products or services over electronic system such as the internet and other computer networks. Okay. And electronic commerce commonly known as e-commerce. Electronic commerce was identified as the facilitation of commercial transactions electronically using technology such as electronic data interchange EDI and electronic funds transfer EFT. Let us discuss about what is EDI and what is EFT. Okay. What is EDI? EDI is the structured transmission of data between organization by electronic means. It is used to transfer electronic documents or business data from one computer system to another computer system. Next, what is EFT? EFT is the electronic exchange or transfer of money from one account to another account. Okay. Then these are the history of e-commerce. History of e-commerce, the growth and acceptance of credit cards, automated teller machine ATM and telephone banking in the 1980s were also forms of electronic commerce. Another form of e-commerce was the airline reservation system, for example, Savera in the USA and Travicom in the UK. Okay. By the end of 2000, many European and American business companies offered their services through the World Wide Web. Since then, people began to associate a word e-commerce with the ability of purchasing various goods through the internet using secure protocols and electronic payment services. Secure protocols means some rules and regulations followed by the network. Okay. Then advantages of e-commerce. All of you know, faster buying, selling procedure as well as easy to find products. Buying and selling 24/7. That means we are able to purchase any product at any time. There is no time limitation. Low operational cost and better quality of services. Okay. Easy to start and manage a business. No need of physical company setups. There is no need of a physical company setups. Okay. Customers can easily select products from different providers without moving around physically. We do not need to go to the market. Okay. Then disadvantages of e-commerce. There is no guarantee of product quality. There are many hackers who looks for opportunities and thus an e-commerce site service payment gateways all are always prone to attack. There is no guarantee of product quality means we are not available physically there to see the product, only we see the product logically. We are not able to see the product. For this reason there is no guarantee of product quality, it is not visible to us. Next, types of e-commerce. Okay. There are different types of e-commerce, B2B, B2C, C2B, C2C and there is also available of different types of e-commerce like B2G also. Next, start about B2B e-commerce. What is B2B e-commerce? Means business to business e-commerce. Here transaction performed in between two business organizations. Okay. B2B can be open to all the interested parties or limited to specific pre-qualified participants. Private electronic market, like companies doing business with each other, such as manufacturing selling to distributors and wholesalers selling to retailers. I just give you here another example. All of you know a automobile company by a car manufacturing company to design the car, it may be depends on some other companies also, because they are may not available of all the products. Next, business to consumer, B2C. Businesses selling to the general public, typically through catalogs utilizing shopping cart software. B2C is the indirect trade between the company and consumers. It provides direct selling through online. If you want to sell goods and services to customer, so that anybody can purchase any products directly from the supplier's website. Here, in case of B2C, transaction occur performed between business and the customer. Here there is no middleman. Customer can directly interact with the business. Okay. Nowadays, all of you are purchasing by using e-commerce websites like Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon. Okay. Consumer to business means C2B. A consumer posts his projects with a set budget online, and within hours companies review the consumer's requirements and bid on the project. Next, the consumer reviews the bids and selects the company that will complete the project. C2B empowers consumers around the world by providing the meeting ground and platform for such transactions. Next, C2C e-commerce, that means consumer to consumer. Okay. Here transaction performed in between two customers. Okay. It facilitates the online transaction of goods or services between two people, though there is no visible intermediary involved, but the parties cannot carry out the transaction without the platform which is provided by the online market maker such as eBay. Okay. There is also another sites like OLX, okay, which helps to perform transaction in between customer to customer. Suppose I have a mobile phone or laptop, I want to sell it, then I have to put the address and the picture of my mobile or laptop through the OLX sites, and the another customer who wants to buy this, he or she has to go through the OLX sites and select it and purchase it by using some payment procedures. Then e-commerce examples. An individual purchases a book on the internet. This is also one of the best examples of e-commerce. A government employee reserves a hotel room over the internet. A business buys office supplies online or through an electronic action. A manufacturing plant orders electronic components from another plant within the company using the company's intranet. This is all about what is e-commerce, types of e-commerce, examples. Thank you.